When the glass is naturally cooled, a large amount of heat is emitted, which keeps the glass factory warehouse under high temperature all the year round. In the high temperature environment, the amount of perspiration of employees will greatly increase. The salt will be lost, and symptoms such as weakness, chest tightness, shortness of breath, etc., will increase. The burden on the heart and affect employees' good health and reduced work efficiency. Vanse large industrial fans cool glass plant personnel while speeding up glass annealing. When starting, the continuous airflow is generated by the slow rotation of the huge 7.3-meter fan blade. The airflow pushes down to the ground, spreads on both sides when it encounters the ground, and flows upwards when it encounters the walls on both sides, forming a circulating breeze system inside the glass factory, taking away the hot air on the human body and the glass surface, or turn off some air conditioning units, bringing cool and fresh air to achieve the effect of natural cooling.